Okay, I'm writing a song. It's called Moments. And for a moment, I forgot my pain. And then I realized you had carried it away. Turned my sorrow into dancing, gave me joy for my pain. And in this special moment, you drove my sorrow all away. Now I'm living in the moment of a new day. I feel the season of rejoicing is now flowing my way. I can leave the past behind me as you dry my tears away. Weeping was for a moment, but that was yesterday. And now I felt your whisper of love to my heart. You brought hope, you brought meaning, you gave me a brand new start. Now I live for each moment, for I know adventure it will bring. And there is joy for my journey, and blessings abundantly. Lisa Peter, Star of Song Studios.